everyone, I hope you're all well. I'm here today to film my kitchen renovation video. It's really nothing like crazy. I just don't want anyone to think like I've knocked out cupboards or anything like that, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit more in detail the sprucing up of my kitchen. I also show you guys in this video a wall that I painted in my living room. I really enjoy homeware videos and I thought I'll share this before my flat tour because that is definitely coming up. Also, excuse the echo, my flat is just echoey. It doesn't matter where I sit, what I do, these rooms especially, like my living room and stuff, it's just echoey. My flat is a new build flat, so there's literally like no character. I feel like I've had to kind of inject it with personality because it kind of had none. And the kitchen, when we got to choose it, the kitchen came with the price of the flat. I did nothing. It didn't have a backsplash, like a tiling, which I just kind of always was like, why? Because to me, and maybe from growing up, like my kitchens have always had a backsplash, and I just think it makes the kitchen look more whole. And also it just looked a little bit like lackluster, and my mum unfortunately accidentally burnt my countertop, so I also changed the countertop. So there really isn't that much of a change, and I think it's actually made the space weirdly look so much bigger. So I really do hope that you guys enjoy this video, get something out of it. All I wanted was a Scandi tile and a mock marble effect counter. I wasn't gonna go and spend like £3 grand on a kitchen worktop. I don't even cook, like there's no point. I really do hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Do you guys think it looks better now? Do you guys think it looks better before? Definitely thumbs up this video for a flat tour. I'm hoping to film it within the next couple of weeks. Who is excited? It's been 2 years, honestly. Like, I cannot wait to show you guys. I really can't, because I just feel like it's become home now and I love it. So I just wanted to do a quick rundown of the before. It just looks hella plain. I've got so much rubbish on my little table there, but this is what it looks like. But this is it, and this is the mark that we're trying to resolve. I know it doesn't look like much, but if I go to resell and stuff, I might as well just get it fixed now as opposed to after. And then all our tiles that are going to be fitted are just there, just like a plain Scandi tile. So here is before. This is day 2 technically, because yesterday my stepdad spent the day, I've just got my dishwasher on so that's what you can hear, spent the day putting in my new countertop, which is this one. There's a little sneak peek. The reason there is a towel there is because I came in this morning and noticed there was a leak. I'm glad I didn't put all my under the sink stuff back in last night, but there's literally a drop coming from the pipe, so I need to tell him that in a little while when he comes back in. I have made myself breakfast, so that's all dirty. But basically the countertop was a like granite, not granite, it was like a concrete look. When we got a quote to get that exact bit replaced, like just that little bit, it came to like £300. So I just decided to get a whole new countertop, and I chose this one from IKEA. Good old IKEA. We looked at loads of marble effect countertops, and this one to me was the only one that didn't look like super cheap, but it kind of doesn't look that bad, and already I prefer it so much. Had this been like my kitchen that I designed, I would have done so many different things. Like I wouldn't have done these like shiny doors, I would have done a more matte look with like nice knobs and stuff, but this is not my forever kitchen and I just kind of want it to look as nice as it can. So I'm guessing today they're going to be tiling. I did have here like a mirror thing, not mirror, it was like a glass thing, you know, like a backdrop thing, but I don't really like that. I think we're just going to do, not I think, we are just going to do tiles all the way up, tiles all the way here, like a subway tile type thing, and hopefully it will tie in much more with the worktop, which I'm chuffed with. As I said, this is IKEA. I will link it down below. It is thinner than the one that I previously had here. So I don't know if you can actually tell in the screen, and my stepdad was a bit worried about it, but I think it looks fine. I think it looks quite seamless and nice. And in the living room, I don't know if they're going to be doing it today. It's currently like 7:30 in the morning, guys. I think they might be painting today, but I don't know. And I'm just going to paint this whole wall in, well, I'm not, they are, in Farrow & Ball Sulking Room Pink. And that's just a paint swatch that we got, but that's not actually the colour. It's this kind of colour, which is looking a bit weird on camera right now, but it's more of like a mauve pink. And I just thought it would look a little bit cool, like it will give the room a bit of colour, because this is so white. Like if you see, there's me in my PJs. It's just very, very like grey blur meh, but I already think the tiles will add so much here, and I'm gonna have like little plants and things to try and add some colour. I was thinking of doing something here, like another shelf, but I just think it'll be just too much work. And like, bless my stepdad, he's doing this out of the kindness of his heart, like, you know, the actual work and stuff. So I'm just gonna try and be creative myself around here. But he said he's gonna have to take this out today, which is like an access thing, and he's gonna tile, and obviously we need to sort out that leak, but that's an update. So I wanted to give you guys an update. Unfortunately, I was really busy yesterday. I had like an interview thing for a job. I was like running around like a headless chicken, and I didn't have a chance to update you. But basically yesterday the tiling was done. So my stepdad's colleague did the tiling. So they're just basically subway tiles. Is that what you call them? Like the white tiles? And my stepdad now, I'm trying to use like technical terminology, but he's now doing the grouting, I think it's called. And I wanted it in like a black kind of shade, like a grey black. At first I thought they looked really big, the tiles, and I kind of wasn't feeling it, but I think now they look a bit better with the grouting. They are still kind of slightly bigger than I wanted, but it's fine. It looks nice still. It actually, I think, makes the kitchen look really big, but it's a messy job. I did not think I don't know why, I kind of assumed that you would like take like little bits of it and go in the tile, but he said apparently this is how you do it, obviously, so I haven't got a clue. So that is the kitchen, and the worktop is still there. It's just obviously he's covered it so that it doesn't get as dirty, but you can probably tell I am living in a building site again, which just feels really weird. Well, I never really lived in it when it was a building site, but I'm just living in a building site. Like, the floor is filthy, like we're trying to clean it every single day. There's my Hattie. And now the ceiling is painted in Farrow & Ball Sulking Room Pink. It is a gorgeous, like, the true representation is, it like changes in different lights. So like right now it's quite gloomy outside, so it kind of looks a bit more grey, but it's definitely mauve. I would probably say that's like a true colour. I have just chipped off all my nails. So literally it's just this wall I'm doing. And yeah, I just think it gives a little bit more colour to the room there than before. If I could, I'm sure I've said this in so many videos, if I could, I would change these doors. I absolutely hate them. But yeah, this is the colour. It's really pretty. So this is the kitchen, guys. I mean, it's not that much of a change, but I feel like it's done a lot. This corner has always been my like, I don't know what to do with you corner. I just feel like it's quite bare, but until I kind of figure out what I want to do, it's just going to stay like this. The table is IKEA, the chairs are IKEA, the mirrors are Dunelm, I think. They're both like a mirror image of each other. And I was going to put a plant in that corner, but when I did try and do that, it literally just covered up the mirrors and it looked ridiculous. So for now, this is what it's looking like. I have bought a table runner for this table. Like, I'm gonna dress it up and kind of make it look a bit more full, but for now you guys can see an idea. And then this is the kitchen and the tiles and stuff. So I just went with, like, I call this like a Scandi subway tile type situation. And then the countertop is like a marble effect. I just feel like it's given it a little bit more life. If I could have my own perfect kitchen, I would have like, I wouldn't have these gloss doors, I would have something different, but for now, this is what it's looking like. I am gonna get some more greenery for like there, but I got this little thing, I'll show you guys. You guys need to check out the Zara home sale. I got this gorgeous like vase thing, and it was £50 and I got it for 12 on sale. I still have my toaster and my kettle, which were I keep doing this, which I got like as one of my first things in the flat. That's just my incense burner. But that's an egg holder from H&M. Those were from, where were they from? M&S, I think. But I could have also left the screen here, like the glass screen thing that I had, but I didn't like it. So we just went up to there. So that's up to where it's tiled. And that's my fridge. Also, my stepdad still needs to fix the border, so don't mind that. But if I keep waiting for him to come in and fix little things, I'm just never gonna film this video. So I also added my little, the hands are back. That's from French Connection, that runner. And I really like it because I'm kind of adding little bits of pink because this is now my living room. So this is the wall and I am obsessed with it. I should really close the shutters, but it kind of adds a little bit of light. This is what the living room is looking like. So my frames are from Desenio. I worked with them a while ago and I still love them. And then this color that I chose is Sulking Room Pink by Farrow & Ball. And it was one of their new colors. I follow them. Did I follow them on Instagram or something? Or I saw it on like an interiors homepage. And I was like, that's my color. That's the color that I've been looking for. That's what's gonna transform my living room. And everything was quite white and stale before, but I just feel like, obviously bar the very velvet green sofa, but now I'm just obsessed with this room. Like, I feel like the pink is so me. I'm in love with it. That's my little coffee table. It's from, where is it from? IKEA. And I've just kind of added my own little jazzy bits on there. But yeah, like I am in love with this. I feel like also, my boyfriend said this, the frames really stand out more. I don't know if that's just me being silly. That's just like a throw thing, but that's what it's looking like. And as I said, we'll be doing a flat tour soon, but to give you guys a little bit of an indication, the sofa is from Habitat. I highly recommend this sofa. I finally paid it off like a few months ago, I think like 6 months ago, and I felt so proud because it's not super cheap. It's one of the most expensive things in the flat. And I'm kind of going to change out the pillows as well. So this is not all going to stay like this. The coffee table I think is, but the sofas are changing. I think I'm getting a new lamp for here or kind of where my TV stand is. I'm still not sure. And then I also wanted to show you guys this. This was another one of my Zara home sale finds. It's just a little vase, but it kind of goes with all my theme. You'll see it all in the video, the home tour, but this is kind of the star of the show. What do we think? Do we like the pink? I feel like this color would look beautiful in a bedroom. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking around. Then you come there, that's my hallway, and that's the kitchen. I will see you guys all very soon. Please do like this video if you want a full flat tour, and I will leave you guys with this beautiful picture. Bye.